Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are alright, and this video, well, I was thinking about doing this video for a long time, so here it is now. We are going to modify a Royal Enfield Electra this time. We are going to watch how a Royal Enfield Electra is being modified. You already saw what we are going to do. We're going to put three things in particular that is major concern. One is the pillion backrest. Second are the bar and rear view mirrors. Third are the LED fog lights. So right now here you can see that we are putting the backrest on Electra's seat. This seat is customized, by the way, and I don't know how they did it because Vanessa got this done at Kolkata, so I'm not sure how what is the cost and anything like that. But the pillion backrest is very simple on this one. You just have to put it on the seat itself, unlike the Bajaj Avenger, in which the pillion backrest goes directly to the chassis. And here you can see, meanwhile, they are preparing the bike for lights and bar and mirrors. This was done at Karol Bagh, Sanjeev Khajachi, if you are wondering where. If you want, I'll put the phone number in the description. The cost of the backrest was around 700 so, I don't actually remember correctly, but 700 or so for the backrest, and the rear view mirrors were 700 or so, I think. Not above 700, somewhere between 600 700. So that was the cost of backrest as well as rear view mirrors. What else? Grill cost around 400 or something, I don't know, but it was all over. Every indicator from front to back was covered with grills. What else we did? Yes, LED headlights, LED fog lights. LED fog lights were around, I think, 800 approx, and these are not inclusive of labor charges. Labor charges were something around 500 or so, but they actually provided a switch as well that you are seeing right now, on-off switch for the LED fog lights. And this bike has been already modified a bit from Kolkata, so I cannot actually give you a perspective of how much modified this bike is, but it was done neatly, so it looks better, I think, now as well as before. It was a lot of hard work. Right now you are seeing they are done with the pillion backrest. Now they are just going to put it back on the bike. It looks cool this way as well. I think now they are almost done with the pillion backrest with the seat. And all of this was done at Karol Bagh, Sanjeev Khajachi. The shop is good. I think you can get anything, literally anything bike related there, from saddlebags to lights to bar and mirrors to stickers to elbow guards, knee guards, and everything like that. And I think the installation of rear view mirrors are done. They look actually nice. What remains? Well, I think they are done. Pillion backrest was already installed. LED headlights are done. The grills only remain, but I don't have the video for that because I was not present when this was all done. This is futuristic. This design is flawless. If you are seeing this right now, the LED fog lights, the Royal Enfield emblem, the paint job, this was done before. The grills, the pillion backrest, and this star, the fuel tank is just gorgeous. I mean, you're going to love everything about this. So if you want to do this type of modification, just head over to Karol Bagh, Sanjeev Khajachi, and you will never be disappointed. So keep on rocking.